Hello, everyone. This is Raki Rupani, Communications Coordinator for BNI here in the UAE. Today, I have here with me Atul Sharma. He's from the Warriors chapter, and he's the top performing member in the UAE. A little bit about himself. He's going to be our next new president for the Warriors chapter. And in his words, his vision during his term shall be to create a positive and focused environment which enables generation and exchange of quality referrals and business, as well as also creating good power teams which will enable growth in the chapter. So let's hear some more from Atul about what he has in vision for his chapter. Hi Atul, how are you doing today?
Hi Raki, I'm very fine. Hope the same for you. Thank you so much for considering me for the member spotlight. I thank you and BNI National Office. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much for being here with us today, Atul. Before we get started into the interview, tell us all about your journey into BNI, starting with about your business and the category that you represent.
Oh, this is an interesting one, I should say. I actually came to BNI Warriors as a visitor on the launch day, which was 15th of July 2019. And immediately the next meeting, I was a member. I represent the category of architect and consultants. My company's name is Model Engineering Consultants. We are in this industry since 1976, a pretty old industry. We are into business of engineering, design, and project management. So what we do is, once we get an empty plot, we actually convert that plot or engineer that plot into a reality of our clients. Whatever you see around yourself, any building, whatever you see around yourself, can either be designed by model engineering or has been designed by model engineering. We are in the category of G plus unlimited. Consultants have categories of G plus 1, G plus 4, G plus 12, and G plus unlimited. So we present a category of G plus unlimited, which means we can make a villa and we can make a G plus 100 building as well. We have done numerous buildings, Icon Tower in JLT, the mall in Jumeirah, the Cityland Mall on Emirates Road, Grand Malls. We are doing the largest villa of Pearl Jumeirah, Palm Jumeirah, Dubai Hills, and Jumeirah Golf Estate. So that's what we do.
That's awesome, Atul. So you have been a member of BNI since close to 2 years right now. Any roles that you have taken within the chapter in this tenure of yours?
Yes, I was the mentor coordinator in the last term, and thank you to BNI Warriors. I've been chosen the president of the upcoming term, so I'm really humbled by my colleagues, I should say.
That's great. Going on to becoming a president must be a really big deal because the term is just about to begin right now. But speaking about the term, we all know very well that you are really on top of your traffic lights. You are shining out there in the region, making us all proud. Tell us anything that you would like to share about how do you do it? What keeps you motivated?
As I told you, we are in the field of engineering, design, and project management. My ticket referral is very, very big. I usually get referrals once in 3 months, or perhaps at least the earliest I could say one referral a month, I should say. But when I joined BNI, I realized that it's an excellent platform for exchange of business. And I was prompt and prudent enough to realize that the first thing which I can do is to start generating business for other members. And I attached myself with the ethics of giver's gain. And I started putting my efforts of identifying the business and opportunities for my colleagues, which helped me doing things, whatever BNI asked you to do to generate referrals for people. And I still remember that once my palm sheet used to read a thank you for closeness of 2.5 million, and my revenue used to say 0. But that did not put me down. I still was motivated enough to do what I am supposed to do. And by doing that givers part, I was actually doing what I was supposed to do. And now I would honestly say that the gains part is now actually running towards me faster than my givers part. So I thoroughly and very strongly attach myself with the givers gain ethics. So if you are a giver, okay, you are going to gain the most. That's how I consider it.
Definitely, I totally vouch for that. Everybody has different categories, and depends on what category you represent. Sometimes it takes a while to get a referral, and all I can say is you have to be patient, hold on to your seat, and sometimes it just take time, but you have to be, waiting and get the referrals. Because once it happens, then the credibility continues, and then you start getting more and more referrals. But I know we had this discussion much earlier about this. Given these interesting times we have, and your performances continue to excel. I know you did mention to me something about what your chapter is doing and what's working for you as a member. Would you like to talk about that as well?
Yes, first of all, I would say we don't, this last year, we actually tell all our members and call it as an interesting time. We don't take it as a sad time or a tough time. We don't allow the word tough. Our existing president, we decided on this that everybody will call it as an interesting time. Now, what happened? A lot of businesses got stalled. A lot of businesses got slowed. Some of them were exemption businesses which were going. So we actually sat down and understood the categories of business and generated little power teams in our chapter, and then started working through those power teams so that the exchange of business is still continuing and maintained, and that helped us to generate business for people. I think we have closed down a business of around 20-25 million last year, I would say. So this was exactly the result of those efforts, which all warriors, I would say, did. So we identified those small power teams and then generated referrals through them. So that's what we did, which really worked us to um, organically help them in getting business, and the numbers were also going great.
That's amazing, Atul. And because you rightly mentioned about your new role, which is coming on as the president, tell us what inspired you to take on this role and what your vision is for the new term going on as a president.
I'll be very humbly honest. I can only say thank you to all my warriors that they have shown confidence in me. I take it as a responsibility. I consider that when you get an accolade of becoming a president of a chapter, the responsibility is that you have to be the best member of that chapter. So the responsibility towards me is to become the best member of the chapter because I'm the president, so that I can lead by example. And I always believe that the best way to motivate people is to inspire them. And I can only inspire them and lead them when I myself is an example to them. So the first responsibility is to me is to become the best member of the chapter. My vision would be very straight. I always, all along, which I discussed, that I have to create that environment and that motivation in the chapter, which will inculcate and help to generate an exchange of business, which is very important. When you have that motivation and inclination to generate business, you will ultimately do what you're supposed to do. So to create that environment that everybody will be involved in interchanging business is what I'm looking for as my vision in this term.
That's amazing. That's some good advice out there. And before we let you go, Atul, I know that BNI has gone very much online, BNI University, BNI Business Booster. There are a lot of different tools and different tricks and tips which are coming about from different members. Any particular tip or trick or tool of BNI that you use and would advise to all the members out here?
What tip I would humbly suggest to all of them is that you don't have to run towards number. You have to work. BNI is a very structured and very disciplined and a very educating platform. So you don't have to run towards number. You have to organically work through your way so that the number works towards you. Now, what happens is if I take a simulation for you, if I have to find a business for Rakhi, what I would do is I would request for a one-to-one with you. I will go and meet you, understand your business, come back, try to identify some referrals for you, then come back to you again if those referrals were not good. In that process, I will generate a thank you for closed business. I will read through some articles relating to you in BNI. So what I'm doing is I'm actually organically doing what I'm supposed to do to generate a referral for Rakhi. In that process, I will fulfill all those parameters. So I'm actually not running towards the numbers. By generating that business for Rakhi, that numbers will run towards me. So my cliche is work for organically generating the business. The numbers will run towards you rather than you running towards the numbers.
That's amazing, Atul. You know, you remind me of something which we have heard long time when you were growing up, which is try till you succeed. And I can see that never giving up attitude from your side, which is amazing, which I feel that all the members should really, you know, watch this, learn it, and get inspired by members like you, Atul. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much, Atul, for being here with us. And I wish you all the very best with your new role as president in the chapter and with your journey here at BNI.
Thank you so much, Rakhi. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for choosing me for the interview, and thank you, BNI.